My experience has been really good in the first few weeks. I feel more confident and consistent than more before. And my second question answered. So I wanna tell you. um, what is small but noticeable one small but noticeable change I have seen in that I understand things more clearly now. Yes, of course, this is working for me because before I was not able to speak English, but now I am able to speak a little. Yes, I'm not perfect, but I understand English a little. Chunking activity has been the most helpful for me, and shadowing also helped me a lot. Yes, I love chunking. My sixth answer: learning new things every day keeps me excited. I'm feeling much better now compared to when I first joined. I feel more disciplined and confident. And before I didn't understand anything, but now I understand a little. My last answer: yes, I would definitely recommend these two others, because it has helped me improve in many things. And if yes, then when? Because it builds confident, discipline, and real improvement.